Hey everybody, welcome to CryptoReality. Please be advised that I'm not your financial advisor. Everything I'm gonna say here is based on the charts. Sorry for not uploading. Yeah, I can be definitely wrong in my videos. Just wanted you to share my insights here. Okay, I'm not trying to create a fear, FUD or something here, or I'm not trying to tell you buy or sell. I just want us to be prepared. So now let's dive in. Look at this Bitcoin. I was just thinking that maybe we can still have a little hopes here. Okay. This one. Look at this one. Okay, let me try to find another chart here. Okay, let's use this one. Alright. Okay. As you can see here in a trading view chart, I've drawn this exactly top for your Bitcoin. So let me remove all of this. I want you to take a look at this one. Look at this, the past channel here. I want to create some trend line here from this one. Yep, there you go. Exactly that is. Let's color that green bond or yellow. No, it's nice for green. That's your support band there. And look what we're doing here right now. Let me draw it again here. Okay. Yeah, let me have this one. Okay, if I'm gonna do this, but I don't think, because your EMAs doesn't align, so maybe this one. Okay, this is the most identical thing that we can see. Okay, look at this is below, holding your 100 EMAs, holding your 100 EMAs here. Okay, we are having this one. I want you to take a look at this one. Okay, we have this and we have this. So we have pump here, we are pumped here. So we are holding right now. Okay, so maybe this is gonna be your last chance to take profits. Okay, I'm not saying you to sell, but for me personally, I will take profit on this last wave. Look at this. We are here right now. Look at the stochastic RSI here, right below. And once you see your blue line goes above your 86 area, going overbought territory, it's gonna be the last stop before the continuation to the downside. So take a look at this one. We are here, right? As I'm saying, if you're gonna see this stochastic RSI to go up right here, maybe it's gonna be your last chance to take profits right there, around this level that I'm talking, 104,000 maybe. That's gonna be the last taking profit area, huh? There. Okay, before it heads back to the downside. Right, it's crossing there. Okay, that's just my idea here. This is your Bitcoin. Okay, not saying that it's gonna be happen, because if we manage to go break above here and retails consolidate here, we can see another all-time high. But right now I don't think it's gonna happen. And if that happens, we're gonna talk about that again. Okay, now let's take a look at your XRP US dollar right now. Okay, so you can see here a nice breakout here. Okay, I don't know if you see this road. this wedge pattern right here and a nice breakout, and we did exactly the top of 2.4 area. So just like what we did in the past, right here, look at this, we are here right now. The first pump hitting your 20 EMA, right? And your stochastic RSI is still on oversold territory. But once it goes back to overbought territory, look at the blue line here. Here we are. That's the last time it pumps and then continue to the bear market. So let's gonna put some trend line in here. Alright, there. Okay, so my idea here is that once we get there, okay, once we get there, I'm gonna take some profits there, okay, before the continuation to the downside. That's my idea here. Okay, not saying that it's gonna happen, because if we are going to break this resistance trend line here, we can see another all-time high or just a $3 mark here. Okay, so let's just watch these levels, but right now I'm planning to take profits once the stochastic RSI hit this top right here, even hit here at your 80 area for your stochastic RSI. Okay, because looking now at your US dollar dominance, okay, I might say that this one is much more identical to its past move, right? Look at this. This past move right here is much more identical to this move, but look at this. This one is a weekly time frame. Okay, I want you to look at this. It blasts off to the upside, but on this one, let me take a look at your daily time frame here. Yep, it's much more alike to that one, right? But there's a good news to me. Okay, look at your weekly time frame. Looks like something, looks like a Bart Simpson head to me. Yeah, you know what I'm saying here, staying flat like that. Also in a weekly time frame, we have this overbought territory, right? Look at this. So there's a lot of chance that this US dollar dominance will come back down and they test these EMAs right here. And by that chance, just like what I'm saying, we can see another pump for crypto. I don't know how high it will, but I am looking closely to this stochastic RSI going to that overbought territory. Okay, considering another to this Bitcoin chart. And another thing I'm looking, okay guys, I was just thinking about this. Okay, short-term time frame here, it's just like we're going lower, or it might hold like to this level. It's just like you can hold this one before another run like that, or if we break this bull trap right there and fake out, hitting all of this resistance right there. Okay, hitting this 2.7 area right there. Yeah, that's the highest thing that I can think that it will go if we manage to go through this, right? Okay, if we are trying to do that. Maybe this one is a looking like this, like that one. We testing this before we blast off to the upside. Yeah, that's my idea in here. So I'm eyeing on these cryptos right here. Of course, Sui. Okay, the first target hit for this double pattern right here. Oh, sorry for that. For this W formation, we hit that. Literally nice breakout to the upside. So right now, I am thinking that maybe we can go through this 200 EMA, at least at 2.36 or 2.35 area. 2.28, 2.27, right there. As you can see that. I hope it crosses. Looking at this weekly time frame here, I hope we can still see some massive move to the upside here to 3.16 to complete this resistance trend line here. Or maybe we can just stop out here to your these levels, right? The first target is 2.27, but still, yeah, I am eyeing on this stochastic RSI. Also look at Tezos XTZ. I'm just looking at this, and I am thinking that we are in the bottom of everything here. Okay, looking forward here. Yeah, this is your weekly time frame. Look at your stochastic RSI. Maybe it's kind of getting there. Yep. If this one is a breakout, if we break this to the upside, let's see how can I measure this one. Okay. Let's remove this one. Maybe if we manage to break this, yep, we're gonna see this another top in here, aligning with your 200 EMA right there. Yep, around 1.11 it could be. And then if the bear market continues, then all of these cryptos are going to consolidate flat and accumulate. Okay, please be advised that I'm not your financial advisor. Don't just listen to me, don't listen to others, plan your trades. I'm just always saying, put the money that you can afford to lose. Okay, don't put all your money in crypto. It's just so risky. Okay, always do your own research. Okay, research, learn and learn from your past mistakes, just like I am doing. So stay healthy, stay strong, focused. Okay, and please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. For me, thank you, bye bye, God bless.